Are you looking for limitless LED creativity? With the Redondo XL, the only limit is your imagination. The Redondo allows you to bend LEDs into any form or shape, creating the most amazing feature lighting you'll ever see. The diffuser can only take LED strips up to 10 mm wide. That's why we recommend our White Iris series LED strips for white light, and our Delia RGB strip for colored light. To insert your LEDs into the Redondo, gently feed them into the smaller aperture. Do not remove the sticker paper off the underneath of your strip. Once the strip is flush with the other end of your diffuser, pull it back out, until you reach the nearest set of solder pads. That's where you'll want to cut your LED strip. If you don't have the ability, or the equipment, you can add solder joints to your order on our site. One thing to watch out for with a Redondo is kinking. It's best to avoid it wherever possible. You can easily transform the Redondo into a completely waterproof fixture, using end caps and this silicone sealant. Besides water resistance, it's also UV stable, making it a great choice for outdoor lighting. You can use these clips to hold the Redondo in place, and create letters, shapes or whatever you can think up. The Redondo XL is available on our site today, along with all its accessories. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.